Hey friends, in this video I'm going to unbox this chair from Ballard Designs. I got a wooden rolling chair just because I wanted a chair that could roll around on my carpet. Also, I didn't want a chair that had like handles on the side just so that I could move back and forth in my craft space and my office. So this is a wooden rolling chair that I found. It's like one of like 5 that I could find online that was white. It had no arms, and also it was like wood. For some reason, I don't like cushions on my chair when I'm working specifically. So I'm gonna go unbox this and show you what that looks like. Alright, so this is from Ballard Design. I love their stuff. It's a little bit more on the pricey side. I got this one at a discount for about 20% off. I think it was around $300. I know it's kind of expensive for a chair, but this is a chair because of everything that's going on right now, and I'm working from home more often. I needed a chair that I loved. I actually got one off of Craigslist that I actually hated. I spent $50 on this chair, this wooden chair that I was gonna paint, and then I ended up like not liking it. So now it's sitting in the basement. So I'm gonna share with you what this looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing this. Okay, so unpackaging it wasn't too bad. There was just a lot of packaging and a lot of trash, so I'm pretty sure my trash bin is going to be filled this week, especially my recycle bin. So I want to share with you guys what I got. So the chair, the base, the pneumatic riser, and then let's see here, 5 wheels. And you can see like this is actually high quality caster. So it has a ball instead of normally like on a rolling chair you have like the 2 like wheels that kind of come together. This one is actually a full set of like just a ball wheel, and it goes every which way. So it's really high quality, and like the wood is super high quality, like it's super heavy. So I'm excited to kind of put this together, and I'm actually going to try and put this together in the room because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to kind of put it through these 2 doors because I have my Ikea cabinets really close together. So I'm going to go ahead and move this to the room. So I'm in the space that it's going to be in. It's a white. It doesn't necessarily 100% match the Ikea cabinets I have in here, but that's okay. It's more of a creamy colored, I wouldn't say yellow tones because it's not really yellow. It's like a cream color with kind of yellow tones, so you can kind of see the difference. I think it makes it a little bit yellower on the camera itself, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to put this together and see how far I come along, so stay tuned. Okay, after fighting this for a couple minutes, I went ahead and got a hammer, and I'm gonna hammer them all down. These are super hard to get in. So there's an arrow that goes, that tells you where the front is. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I line it to the front. And so what you do is you put in the spring first, and then the washer, and you just put it in the hole. Oh, there you go. This is exactly where this chair is going to be. It's in my office, and I absolutely love it. I mean, it is really sturdy and high quality. I mean, it's $300. It's pretty expensive for a chair, but I felt like, number one, it matched the style of my space, kind of. And secondly, it's a wood chair, and it spins, and I can move it around really easily. I think the next big purchase I'm going to make is probably replacing my Ikea, like super inexpensive like chair that I move around in this office. I want one to have I want one that will have casters on it, so I'm gonna think about either adding casters to this one or maybe replacing it altogether. I know that Ikea has like these legs that also have casters on it, so I'm debating whether or not to do that. But overall, this chair is going to do for now. I like it. It's gonna hopefully allow me to be more productive. If you guys want to see the remodel of my office, go ahead and check out that video here. I'll also link it at the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed that. I love Ballard design. I love the quality of their stuff. I purchased some banquette seating from them, and it's been amazing. Like, the quality just definitely holds up. So I wouldn't be afraid to buy from them. They do also have 20% off from time to time, so make sure that you kind of check out those deals. And sometimes they offer 20% off with free shipping, which is pretty amazing. But overall, great quality chair. There is one that's like $150 that you could find at Staples and like Walmart as like a third-party like seller on Walmart. But I wanted one that was sturdy. It has really pretty design on the back. Hopefully this will last throughout the years. And if you guys have any questions at all about this chair or anything else, feel free to leave a comment below, subscribe, and make sure you click on the bell to get notifications the next time I create new videos. Bye guys!